Hello, hi. Okay, just now you mentioned about the three possible uh, issues like supply chain crisis, spiraling wages, and rise in the commodity prices. I think the first two has already kind of like in a safe zone right now. So I just want to show you a bit on the wages issues. Um,
Man, I would say this was an inflationary jobs report. Upward revisions to the prior 2 months, a little under
Jobs
100,000,
report
I
has been
believe,
good.
and a better than expected print. Why does this market continue to just, I would say, laugh in the face?
Okay, this one is very important. As you can see, the hourly wages is below expected, so it's lower.
These higher inflation readings.
Well, the market, I think, is much more focused at the moment on what's happening with Russia and Ukraine. The market's really focused more on the headlines and headline risk related to that. And so there is a bit of looking past some of these near-term indicators. I think from our perspective, the report today clearly is positive. It's a step in the right direction, but it's been a very uneven recovery as it relates to the labor market. And so, again, I come back to this idea that the Fed does need to take action, certainly needs to take a step in the right direction here, but I don't see anything in today's report that suggests they need to move that aggressively right out of the gate. And so I think
So you
that the
can see
market
they
is
don't have
able
to
to
act too
kind of work
aggressively.
through.
I'll show you another one, which is very important.
Flag this for me. About 9,000 jobs created. So certainly be happy with that jobs in the pandemic. But as you all know, Emery and Ed, wages are not keeping up with inflation. Wage growth is at about 5.1%, and inflation is at 7.5%. So,
and real quick, I found one little nugget in the data. Somebody on Twitter flagged this for me. About 9,000 jobs created and dry cleaners across the country in the last month or so, which is a sign that as people go back to work, they got to get the threads cleaned.
Yeah.
And so there's more demand at the dry cleaner than there
that
has
is a
been.
fascinating.
This is a
Living
very
in
Isn't that
funny
interesting?
That is very
information on
interesting.
laundry
I
employment.
know. I can't see below this desk.
So good news.
And it's
Wage
Thank you so much.
spiraling is slowing down. I'll be talking about the oil disruption issue or the commodity price and the consumer staple items like wheat and grain that is spiraling. That would be the wild card. So I will be talking about that in another video.